Choosing the right indoor pizza oven. Fear not, pizza enthusiasts. We've assembled a team of culinary experts to test and review the top 5 indoor pizza ovens of 2024, offering a deep dive into their features, performance, and overall value. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. This high-end contender from Breville boasts impressive features. It heats up to a scorching 750 degrees Fahrenheit, 399 degrees Celsius, perfect for achieving that blistered, wood-fired crust. The built-in element and stone deck ensure even heat distribution, while the Smart Element Control allows for precise temperature adjustments. Expert experience. The Pizzaiolo delivered restaurant-quality results. Our testers were particularly impressed with the stone deck, which produced consistently crispy crusts. The pre-programmed settings were convenient, although experienced pizzaiolos might prefer the manual controls for ultimate customization. The downside, the price tag is on the steeper side. Number 2. Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. For a budget-friendly option, the Presto Pizzazz Plus offers a simple yet effective solution. This countertop oven features a rotating stone base that ensures even cooking, while the heating element delivers a decent temperature range. Expert experience. While the Pizzazz Plus won't reach the scorching temperatures of some high-end models, it produced surprisingly good results. The rotating base was a big plus, ensuring even browning on the crust. However, the temperature range might not be ideal for achieving the char some pizza enthusiasts crave. Number 3. Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven. The Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven is a versatile option, offering settings for pizza, baking, and broiling. It features a large cooking surface and a removable stone deck for easy cleaning. Expert experience. This oven offered a good balance of features and functionality. The testers were able to cook a variety of pizzas, from thin crust to deep dish, with decent results. However, the temperature range wasn't quite as high as some dedicated pizza ovens, leading to a slightly less crispy crust. Number 4. Univolt 12 Electric Pizza Oven. Known for their popular outdoor pizza ovens, Uni brings the heat indoors with the Volt 12. This countertop model boasts rapid heating, reaching temperatures exceeding 700 degrees Fahrenheit, 371 degrees Celsius, in just a few minutes. Expert experience. The speed and heat of the Uni Volt were impressive, allowing for quick cooking times and beautifully blistered crusts. However, the compact size limited the pizza diameter, and the lack of a rotating base required some manual maneuvering for even cooking. Number 5. Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. Another budget-friendly option, the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven offers a no-frills approach to pizza making. It features a basic design with a heating element and a stone deck. Expert experience. The Chefman oven delivered basic functionality at a competitive price. It cooked pizzas decently, but the temperature range wasn't high enough for achieving a truly crispy crust. Additionally, the lack of a rotating base or advanced features made for a more manual cooking experience.